Grade 9 revision paper. Today I'll be doing sums of the first term of grade 9. Really, don't forget these sums are very. You will be able to use this knowledge of sums. The knowledge of these sums you will be able to use at the test. If you not written your first term test right now, the first question is, here is a fraction question. A 1 2 over 7 of 2 2/3. What you have to do, now you could pause the video and you need to do the question. Now you could pause the video and you need to do the question, and eventually you could check with your answer. Okay, that's the proper way of learning these types of videos. Okay, although I am giving you all the answers of these sums. So 7 into 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 over 7 of means multiplication, 3 times to 6, 3 times to 6 plus 2, 8, 8 over 3, 3 times to 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So here, now 9 over 7, what you have to do here, you need to make these denominators equal. Then to be done it, both sides you could multiply using this side by 2, this side by 3. So 8 times to 16, 3 times to 6, 3 times to 9, 2 times to 6. I will write this segment here, 9 over 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Here 6. The LCM is 6 here. Now this 7 and this 7 can be cancelled out, as well as this 9 and this 6 as well. 9 is a multiple of 3, 6 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, you could simplify that 2 times divided by 3, 3 times divided by 3, 2 times. So 3 into 1 is 3, then 1 into 1 is 1 into 2 is 2. So this can be written as a mixed number. So the answer is 1.5. The second question is, the second question of this question, part A, the second question, 2/3. Definitely you will be able to see these questions, these types of questions in your test paper. So plus 1 over 10. BODMAS system can be applied here to be taken the answers here. BODMAS systems means, first of all, if it is having a bracket, you need to simplify it, but a bracket you can't see here of division, multiplication. Then multiplication is met here. Multiplication after that addition, it means multiplication. So you need to multiply this. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. 10 into 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 over 10. How can you equal this 15 and 10? You could convert this into 30. Yeah, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Here multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. So 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 15 times 2 is 30. Then 11 times 3, 33. Here 30. Yes. 2 times 3, 6. Yeah. So I think that this way of simplifying is okay, but before that, I think that this sum can be simplified in this can be simplified in this sense. So here multiplication you could see, then this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled out. Okay, sorry, this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled out first. So here multiplication, so 1 time, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 5 is 5. So 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 over 10. Now both sides can be multiplied by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 2, 10. So 4 over 10, 11 over 10. So 4 plus 11 is 15, 15 over 10. 15 over 10, again you could divide, 15 is a multiple of 5, 10 is a multiple of 5. Therefore, divided by 5 3 times and 2 times. So 3 over 2 means, again you could get the answer, final answer as 1.5. Is the second question. Okay. The other question is, second one is 4, 6, 8. Here is a number pattern. This sum is related with the number pattern, and number patterns lesson. The first question is, you need to find the digit, you need to find the term that you need to write in the blank. What is that? That is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Answer for the first one. That's the first question. The second question is, you have to find the common term or general term of this number pattern. What is that? To be taken the general term, then you need to find the, you have to consider the common difference here. Then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Then you need to get 2 here. Then after that, you have to consider the digit that you need to write to be taken the first term. The first term is 4 here. So what is the digit that you have to add to be taken 4 here? Then here 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. But here you have to write that simple n. This is the general term. Or this can be written as Tn equals to 2n plus 2. Same answer. Okay, that's the second answer. The third answer is, this is the second answer. Second part, which is part A, part B. Okay, part B of this question. Yes, that question also, part B, it has given the general term of a number pattern, that 5 minus 2n. It has given in the question, it has given that the general term 5 minus 2n. You have to find the 20th term here. 20th term. Yes. Now what you have to do, you pause the video and just to find the 20th term, and eventually you could check your answer. So n equals 20. Then 5 minus 2n. So 5 minus 2 into 20. 2 times 2 is 40. 2 times 20 is 40. Then after that, 50 minus 5 minus 40 is 35. 20th term is 35. So in the other question, it has given that 5 minus 2n. It has given that you have to find it expresses that which term is 45. Which term is 45. Then here you know that which term is 45. How can you get it? Which term is minus 45. Don't forget minus 45. Then after that, you need to set up an equation. When it expresses every time in these types of questions, to be taken that which term and so on, then you need to set up an equation. After setting up the equation, it's able to simplify that, solve that taken equation. So here plus 5, then plus 5, you need to subtract 5 from both sides. Then here as well. Here you could see subtract 5, then here as well, subtract 5. Then plus 5 and minus 5 can be cancelled out. Now minus 2n equals to minus 50. Now both sides you could divide by minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2 can be cancelled out. Minus 4 minus plus 50 upon 2 is 25. So minus 45 is the 25th term. Minus 45 is the 25th term. Okay. So this is the second question. Now we will be doing the third question. The third question is factorize. These sums also you will be able to see in your test paper. Okay. I will be doing first difference of two squares. Then 49 over 100. 49 over 100. Now you could pause the video just to do. Eventually you could check your taken answer. So 49 means 7 square. This is 10 square. Just you remember this one. If x square minus y square, difference of two squares. You could write the factors, you could get the factors as x plus y minus x minus y. So likewise, anyway, bear in mind that taken answer. In 49 we write as 7 squared, 100 can be written as 10 squared. Here 4 equals 2 squared, here x squared. So this can be written as 7 over 10 whole squared minus 2x whole squared. So now we could get the factors as 7 over 10 plus 2x, 7 over 10 minus 2x. These are the factors. Okay. So the other question is second question of part A. Okay, of the third question. X to the power, this is very important question. Here is a very important question. X to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. How do you factorize this one? This can be written as, x to the power 4 means x to the power 2 to the power 2. 2 times 2 again 4. So, x to the power 2 to the power 2. The reason here, 2 times 2 again 4. Likewise, the same thing can be applied here as well. So, y to the power 2 to the power 2. Now, this can be written as, x squared plus y squared, x squared minus y squared. Again, you could see these taken terms can be factorized. So, but this one cannot be factorized, that x squared plus y squared as x minus y, x plus 1 y or so on. Anyway, we have not been taught in maths that addition of two squares, difference of two squares we know. Therefore, this expression we could factorize more that x plus y into x minus y. So, these are the factors of this one. Third question of the part A. Yeah. So, this one 5x squared minus 5. 5x squared minus 5. So, how do we do this? You could get 5 as the common factor here. Then x squared, 5 over 5 is 1. So, again 5, x squared, 1 equals 1 squared. So, x squared minus 1 squared means x plus 1, x minus 1. These are the factors. Okay, these are the factors. So, let's move on to the second part of the third question. B part. Simplify using the knowledge of factors. Simplify, you have to simplify this given sums using the knowledge of factors. So, this one. Also very important question. 22 over 7 into 9 squared minus 22 over 7 into 2 squared. Think of this one. Yes, think of this one. How do you do this one? Yes, how do you do this one? You could get 22 over 7 as the common factor here, and here the remainder is 9 squared. Here the remainder is 2 squared. So after that, this can be simplified that 22 over 7 difference of two squares. How can you factor this? 9 plus 2, 9 minus 2. Okay, so difference of two squares, 9 plus 2, 9 minus 2. After that, I'll remove this part. Okay, this space is not enough, so anyway, you could manage this. I know that you could pause the video and you could get an idea about this one. So, so 22 over 7, 9 plus 2 is 11 here. Then 9 minus 2 is 7 here. Now, how can you simplify? This 7 and this 7 can be cancelled out. The reason here, multiplication. Because of that, you could simplify. Now, what you have to do? You could get the product of 22 and 11. So, 22 into 11, you need to multiply. 22, 1 into 2, likewise, then the answer anyway, 242. You could multiply this one. I know about it. So, the answer is, final answer is 242. This sum also very important one. So, simplify again and again, then you are able to improve your knowledge of maths. The second part of this one, This one also should be simplified using the knowledge of factors. 3.7 whole square minus 1.3 whole square. So this can be factorized as 3 plus 7 plus 1.3. The other one 3 plus 3.7 minus 1.3. 3.7 plus 1.3 times 3.7 minus 1.3. 3.7 plus 1.3 is then answer 5. 7 plus 3, 10 remaining is 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5.0 means 5. Then 3.7 minus 1.3, 7 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. So 5 into this one, when you simplify, when you add these two, you could get 5. Okay, yes, 7 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. Yeah, after that, how do you simplify this one? Then 2.4 into 5. 2.4 into 5. Sorry, 2.4 into 5. 5 times 4, 20. Remain these two. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12.0. Yeah, 12.0 means 12 is the answer. Okay, so these are very important questions, right? Don't forget it. So the C, part C. C, first question. X squared, you have to factorize quadratic expressions, x squared minus 2x plus 1. You have to get the factors of 1 so that you can get 1 here. I mean minus 1x, this can be written as minus 1x plus 1. Don't forget, right now I am not explaining these sums just right now, just I am doing these sums, right? Previously I taught you these sums. If you want, you could search on my YouTube channel and you could find the videos that I have done of quadratic expressions, the way of getting the factors of quadratic expressions. So get x as the common factor, x into x minus 1, here minus 1, then x minus 1, then x minus 1 into x minus 1 are the factors of this expression. So we could do the second one of C, x squared minus x minus x minus 56. What you have to do, this one, get the factors of this one. You could get the factors of this one, factors, then 7 times 8, 7 times 8, 56, here minus 1, so plus 7 minus 8. So x squared, plus 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Not only that, when you multiply that, plus into minus, plus 7 into minus 8. Plus into minus, minus 5 times 7 times 8, 56. So anyway, we could factorize this expression as x squared minus plus 7x minus 8x and minus 56. You could change this, right? Minus as minus 8x plus 7x. Anyway, now get the term x as a common factor, x into x plus 7. Here minus 8 as a common factor, then minus into minus plus, 56 upon 8 is 7. Then after that, x plus 7 into x minus 8. These are the factors of this quadratic expression. Third part of this one is 6 minus 5x plus x squared. This quadratic expression can be changed. Okay, so without changing also, I mean, the places where you could see that these terms can be changed. The locations of these terms can be changed, but I think that I suggest you that not to change. But anyway, get the factors of 6 so that you can get minus 5 here, minus 5x here, then minus 2x minus 3x, minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x minus times minus plus 2 times 3, 6. Now get 2 as the common factor, then 6 upon 2 is 3, then here x, here minus x can be taken as the common factor, then minus times plus minus x. So after that, 3 minus x into 2 minus x. Okay, now I'll be teaching you more sums in the future as well. And if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, you could subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thanks a lot.